So it's still, what is this? This is Wednesday, right? Yes, okay, still Wednesday. Kevin is here. We're going to try to kickstart this Lymey bike and see how it goes. We're going to start off with half throttle and choke. Okay, and it's got a Mikuni, no, it's got a Amel Mark II on it. So we're using the choke. Let's see how it goes. Hi there. Neighbors walking through. We got a lot of good neighbors around here. All right, so half throttle, da 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 da. One kicky wicky. There's a lot of compression there, big guy. Two.
My foot slipped.
Okay, what's it called in golf when you say you don't need to take that one?
That's right, mulligan, yeah.
Mulligan, yeah, you can
Yeah,
get a mulligan on that
yeah.
one, yeah. Boy, am I glad I'm not kicking on that thing.
There's so much compression. I'm not sure what to do, to be honest with you.
All right, hang on. Okay, so I've got the tripod set up. I'm going to go over and stabilize the bike. Kevin's going to kick from the right-hand side. He's wearing soft shoes. Hey, what can I say?
Let me try this way.
Serious?
Yeah, I think it's me. It's not the motorcycle, it's me. It's just got so much compression. Yeah.
We got choke on,
Choke
right?
on, yep.
Let's turn choke off.
Okay. Half throttle again.
Maybe no throttle.
No throttle. Not even trying. It's just a hard kicker. There's so much compression.
Okay, I'm going to let it go.
Yeah.
It's just going to be a hard kicker, hard starter.
Yep.
The right cylinder is running significantly hotter than the left. The pipe is much more blue on the right side than on the left side. And it's smoking out of the right side. So sooner or later, we're probably going to have to do the top end on the bike. And no, I don't know why. It's a single carb bike, one carb, one ignition system, firing both cylinders at exactly the same time. And the valves, we adjusted, we actually didn't, we verified that they were beautiful, 6 and 8. And what else? Plugs are the same. Oh, compression is equal on both sides, 150 pounds on both sides. And I got nothing. I don't know why it's smoking. The only thing to do, I want to get the client, get some time on it, miles on it, and then make a decision what we want to do. So I'm going to let the client have the bike, okay? That takes care of this project for the morning. Okay, well, this is interesting. This bike, we're going to give this back to the cleaner. Cleaner. I like that. We're going to give this bike back to the owner. This bike is going to go back to the owner. Kevin and I were talking just a minute ago, and I said, you know, if you were wearing boots, hard soles, I think you'd be kicking easier. And he said, yeah, that might be true. So anyway, this is as good as it gets. We're going to give this back to the owner, see how he does. And that's what we're going to do as soon as they want them. So I got 2 bikes finished and going out. I got nothing else in the shop. And in the last 15 minutes, I've gotten 2 calls from 2 guys, each one with a Norton. 75 and I think an older one. And they're both coming over here tomorrow morning around 10 o'clock. And they're going to join me at the Old Farts lunch at about 11 o'clock. So I got 2 Nortons going out and 2 Nortons coming in. I mean, that's kind of interesting. I mean, seriously. All right, so that's the status. That's where we are. Okay, I'm going to go publish these videos, and then Kevin asked me to come up to his house around 1:30 or so, and we're going to work on that T120 he's got up on his lift. All right, later. Bye.